In this video, I'm going to show you how to explore local businesses using Maps features. Now, there is actually a very simple way for us to do this one. I want you to go ahead and look for a location where you are, say for example, gonna be going, and then you want to explore that particular place. Say for example, somewhere around this part of the map here. Now, what you are going to do is just head over for the options here at the top. Now, say for example, I'm gonna do so for groceries. I'm going to go ahead, or maybe coffee would be better. So I'm going to go ahead and click the coffee. And what's going to happen is that with regards to the maps that you have located, you should be able to see different businesses related to the search that you have. So yep, that is what is going to happen. I want you to go ahead and try to click them one by one in order for you to see the particular business more. So for example, here you are able to see the images, the prices, pictures that were added a couple of days ago. So pictures here or photos here could be added by the business owner or those that were added by other people. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done. You can go ahead and explore more options down here, but the good thing is you have, or you can do this one easily. So that is how you are going to explore local businesses using Maps features.